round shaped glass over here. Worth more simply because there are less of them. Beautiful round shape. Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. We are around Christmas time, so Christmas atmosphere right here at Motor Classic Hungary. With their special models, every model over here they restore in-house. So we have the W111s, the Pagodes, 300 SL, and of course my favorite daily driver, the W111 Coupe. Also known as the first S Class, and yes, with a V8, so it is called the 3.5. So in today's video, I will go over them one by one in a more summary kind of style, since it is holiday season and time to spend with your family, but also time to discuss very important topics, because these cars all hold their value or appreciate one by one. So tell me guys in the comment section below, which one is your favorite? The 300 SL over here in this strawberry color, the Pagode, or yes, the W111 S Class Coupe or Cabriolet. And I really love this blue color. The interior also matches, of course, also the wheel caps. First, let's start with the W111 Coupe in the back. And this indeed is the first S Class that came with a V8 engine. So it has a 3.5 V8, incredible value. And this coupe has been made in the world only 3,270 times. And how much of them are left in good condition? That is the question. It is from the 70s and it just looks beautiful, especially from the front with all the chrome details, beautiful Mercedes star, and the quality is especially noticeable in the interior. All of these cars are for sale at Motor Classic and also fully restored in-house from scratch all the way to end. You can already see the tools in the back, but check out the front guys. Beautiful chrome bumper, headlights, and also matching wheel color. This is a real Christmas tree interior special. This green leather, again all done in-house, but it really reminds me to the Christmas tree next to us. Check out this interior guys, beautiful round shape, and this is really what I miss in nowadays vehicles. We have a full automatic gearbox, also with chrome for the gauges, and you can see it is just like a mirror. We have radio from Becker Europe, plus full electric windows and full electric sunroof with beautiful leather sealing. And just listen to the door closing. Amazing. One more time. Wow. The rear of the W111 S Class, I will just skip for this particular color, since we still have other models to look at. For example, the Cabriolet of the S Class W111. And there is the other coupe. So now we will check out the Pagode, the 280 SL in this cream white color. It has a huge trunk guys, I can already tell you. So let me just open it. There is this button over here. You can just press it. You can grab it by the chrome part. As I mentioned, it is huge. We have a spare tire over there and just an immense amount of trunk space. Maybe the height is not that high, but the width is just enormous. So let's close it again. And again, here also beautiful chroming. Also the Mercedes star is a little bit curved. And just imagine guys, the craftsmanship, the experience that Motor Classic has for over 25 years. Beautiful chrome details. Then in the interior we have a blue leather part with a white combination. So basically a two-tone, beautiful black steering wheel. Also the Becker sound system, radio station. It says there's defrost. So back in the days they already had the defrosting feature. And what I love about these models is that they have the round-shaped windows, where the wipers perfectly match, and they are beautiful in sequence. This is the Pagode with beautiful air intakes. And just check out the front, guys. Amazing. The SL at its heritage. Sportive grille. The 300 SL, which is even more sportive, even though the Gullwing is considered a real racing machine. This one is a little bit more comfortable and very sportive to drive though. Beautiful strawberry color. Also the wheels match the body. And we have an aggressive power bonnet, definitely compared to the Pagode. This one is sitting a little bit higher off the ground, so more comfort compared to the 300 SL. There we have the two stripes on the side in chrome, a beautiful vanilla-like creamy interior. Then we have the beautiful mirror caps on the side. And yes, again guys, all these cars are fully restored at Motor Classic in-house. Check out the front chrome bumper. Amazing. This must be one of my favorites. Just look at this perfect designed interior with underneath the red accents which really match the strawberry exterior. And it is also a two-tone, beautiful design, guys, with a clock in the center. The full video is also online at MercBenzKing, where we check this car out in the snowy backyard of Motor Classic. Then we have the beautiful rear, and this is definitely what makes it iconic. 300 SL lettering, Mercedes store. And then it is time to check out the two last W111s, the S classes with the first time a V8 engine. One is in blue, the Cabriolet, and there is the Coupe, of which the latter one is wrapped in this nice Christmas present-like package. So the blue one over here, we will check out the Roadster first, since only 1,200-ish have been produced worldwide, and not many of them are in very good shape. This one is in top shape. Let's have a look at what is under the bonnet to show you the current state that it is in. To do that, you have to pull the release and just pull the full bonnet open. And there we have the massive grille that comes with it, and of course the beautiful 3.5 liter V8 that is sitting at the front. With this machine you can definitely drive fast enough on the Autobahn, especially for that time. You have the beautiful star in black, and all components that are of aging material have been replaced, like plastics. But everything that is restorable has been restored. So we have a full clean engine, also the cooling in the front with the propeller. And also the underneath, as I showed you in other videos, is fully clean. I've never seen a car of this age in this kind of shape. So let's close the bonnet. I will just pull it right here, and you can already see the mirror-like chrome, as I mentioned. The convertible is worth more simply because there are less of them and it is a more complex system. We have the cover over here with so many different nuts that you can just pull out. And this is the cover for the roof. Then we have beautiful wood interior combined with the blue leather, and also the underneath the fabric is in matching blue. The ceiling, of course, in leather. Amazing, guys. Also full automatic with, in this case, the automatic gearbox just behind the steering wheel. The Roadster over here, as well as the Coupe, are one of the earliest. So from the 70s, early 70s. And they both have an automatic gearbox just behind the steering wheel. The one we showed earlier had it at the center console. But now let's check out the trunk space for both of them, since, in my opinion, back in the days, there was really a lot more focus on practicality when it comes to the width. You have an actual spare tire over here and still just an immense amount of trunk space. This all has to do with the design, of course, of the vehicles. So let's close this very wide trunk. That was convertible, so it is a little bit less than this coupe over here. I will also press the chrome button. And there we have way more storage space. Again, the spare tire, but in this case, deeper. So all in all, you can fit a lot of groceries over here, guys. It is not that high, but still the opening is huge because it opens all the way to this part right here. So let's close it. 3.5 Mercedes store, and it says there 280 SE. This is my favorite, guys. In terms of driving, the comfort is amazing. We have the round-shaped glass over here. Very special. Let's have a look at this interior. It has a beige interior with wood. Beautiful combination. Just look at the gauges. Round-shaped, beautiful, guys. With leather seats, very soft, automatic gearbox, and full electric windows. And just check out this storage compartment. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked this Christmas special video at Motor Classic Hungary. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.